Hello YouTubers. Today I'm going to give you my review on the DCF901B, the bare tool impact wrench from Dewalt. This is an exclusive tool at the Xtream line at Lowe's. I'm going to compare it to the 3/8 little brother. Now this is a 1/2 inch tool. I'm going to compare it with a 12 volt 2 amp battery and also the new 12 volt 5 amp battery. I'm going to try to take off the truck lug nuts behind me and see how it performs. I've used it in the past with the big guy and the middle one, and we'll compare to both and see how they do. Let's cover the unboxing of it. On this new little baby. Owner's manual. Belt clip. The tool itself. Let's try it with the battery. Compare it to this little brother. Lengthwise, width appears to be about the same. Got no control on the top of this one, but back of the unit seems much larger, of course. Other than that, weight-wise, size, and grip are either identical or very, very similar. Might be just a slight thicker on the 1/2 inch new 901. I'm gonna try it out with the, just to be fair, 2 amp battery. If it doesn't hold up to us, then we'll use a 12 volt 5 amp battery. But see how it does. All right. I've took the wrench to 160. So these are well over 160. I've already checked the torque. They're beyond 160. This is a cheap Harbor Freight tool. I know it's not valid. Don't kill me on the comments. Now, I'm gonna try if the 3/8 small Dewalt 12 volts removes them. I don't expect them to. No go. All right. Let's try, before we move on to this one, let's see if the DCF901 takes them off. No problem. That was on high. Let's put it back. All right. But let's see if the new 901 removes them. Let's make a different nut. No problem. Take another one off. No problem. There you have it. It will remove truck nuts. Not bad for a 12 volt platform. In conclusion, DCF901 should satisfy most DIY users in your automotive applications. I'm sure there'll be other videos out there testing it against other brands, but I'm happy with the results. Might actually replaced my mid-grade there, my everyday use. Instead of picking it up, it's much easier to reach for. So look forward to making a little bit more videos. It in action. Take care, guys.